What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Scales Family Reptiles. I'm Jordan.
I'm Amethyst.
And we're about to do an awesome review on the SensorPush wireless monitoring system.
That's right. This guy right here. Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
This is the SensorPush sensor, and as you can see, it's a small compact device. You use it to measure temperature and humidity wirelessly through an app on your phone. Since right now we only have 2 SensorPush sensors, we hope to invest in some more here shortly. Well, we've chosen one to go here, and it measures the room temp and humidity. And then we also have one at the bottom, and we use it way back here in the cage to keep a good idea what the hot side is.
All right, so it comes with this convenient little free app, SensorPush, and there's my 2 sensors. There's temperature and humidity. It also gives you trends, so hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, gives you your high and low average. It also it stores unlimited amount of data as long as it's hooked up to their site, the cloud. And this right here is the Wi-Fi gateway. I just went ahead and hooked it straight into my Wi-Fi repeater, and it hooked right up. I didn't have to do no settings, nothing, and it sends all the data up to the cloud. So far using these things, what do you think about them?
Well, I can't speak for Jordan, but I can speak for myself, and they have been such an ease to my mind because I worry about my snakes. I want to make sure that they're safe. I want to make sure that nothing bad happened, especially while we're gone, because we're both very busy. We have 4 kids, we have sports, he has work, I have school, so we're really busy. We're not always home. We can't always just walk in, check the temperature that's right here. And probably my favorite thing about it is the fact that you can set up alerts on it. Letting you know if something's too high or too low.
Speaking of alerts, your boy kind of messed up the other day. I came in here to clean out the snake room before work, and I must have kicked over the heater, and I just picked it up, didn't think about nothing. I went to work, and I got an alert on my phone saying that my snake room was too cold, so I was like, let's see. I called Amethyst. Sure enough, she came in here, the heater was off, and it literally saved my snakes, because it's like 30-something degrees outside right now, and this thing drops fast. So honestly, like, these things are really cool. You can use them for greenhouses, grow rooms, I mean anything. I feel like you could tape them to someone's forehead, like your kids, make sure they're not sick in the middle of the night.
Really, Dad?
Good alert?
Did you get an alert just now?
Oh, the high humidity and super hot. No, but for real, I'm super happy that SensorPush was cool enough to send us some sensors. It's really awesome of them, and honestly I recommend these to everyone. If you don't have one of these and you have animals, especially reptiles and amphibians, you better have one of these, because this is the best little investment you're ever going to make sure you're monitoring the space and the temps and humidity correctly.
And you can rest assured that we mean that, because we're not going to tell somebody something just because we get free product. We're actually going to review it and make sure that we believe what we say. And the fact of the matter is our snakes are our babies. We want to make sure that they're safe. We don't want to have to worry, and they're taken care of even when we're not home.
Exactly.
So we really do like these. These are wonderful. They're small, they're compact, they're user-friendly.
2-year battery life is what I'm hearing. So that's super cool.
That's decent. Yeah.
Also, we got to use these for our incubator, so we're gonna have to buy some more. I'm gonna have one inside, like the top, the middle, the bottom, inside a tub.
Outside the tub,
I care about those babies. Those first eggs are really freaking me out. I've done boas before, so they're live. They're live young. Eggs freak me out. So this is gonna be a fun experience.
Yeah, my anxiety's already going through the roof.
So you guys, leave us some comments. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer for you.
Yes.
Yeah? Good to go? What do you think? So 0 out of 10?
Definitely a 10. Yes.
10 for me too.
I have no issues with them, no complaints, all pros, no cons yet. I'll let you know if that changes.
Yep. You guys want to look at some snakes for a minute? I do.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. This beautiful little lady right here is Nova. Check her out. She is gorgeous. She is the Disco Inferno that we won in that giveaway, and man, she is growing like a weed, getting big. And this beautiful girl right here is Marvel. She's a epic Mojave yellow belly. And she already locked once with our bamboo yellow belly boy. So let's cross our fingers. And this is Mr. Ash. That's Marvel's boyfriend. He is a bamboo yellow belly. He is gorgeous. He is just so cool. He is just so friendly. Look at those colors. We have our largest lovely lady. It's hard to tell in the video, but I mean, she is gigantic and a sweetheart. And this little girl, I really didn't get a chance to show her off in that video, but she is just a het clown. She's a normal het clown, but man, that het clown influence and those sides, those bright oranges, and she's so clean. It amazes me how pretty she is for just a normal snake. Look at those oranges. The camera doesn't even do it justice. Way brighter. All right, guys. So we hope you liked the video. Did you like the video?
Yeah.
If you want to get some SensorPush sensors, go to sensorpush.com or hit them up on Instagram or just DM me and then I'll send you to them. Let them know I sent you. And make sure you hit that subscribe button because it means so, so much to us. Hit the like button and hit that bell if you want to see every time we upload a video. Have a wonderful day.